Hello students, this is your science teacher Gayathri. Today's topic is adaptation in plants and animals. Habitat. We already know what is habitat. The natural surroundings or the environment in which an animal or a plant lives. That is called as habitat. See whether the plant or an animal can live on land or else in water. So, land can be further classified into five types: deserts, forest, polar regions, hills and mountains, grasslands. First, we are going to see about adaptations in animals. Animals on land. Animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals. For example, camel in Thar Desert, Royal Bengal tiger in Sundarbans. Animals in deserts. We already know deserts are covered with sand, and also there will be less amount of water and also scarcity of rainfall. Usually the deserts are extremely hot during the daytime but cold at night time. These desert animals are either adapted to store water and food in their bodies, or they will have thick skin to prevent loss of water. Few examples of desert animals are camel, snake, and lizard. Lizards burrow into the sand. I already said what is burrow. Burrow means a hole or a tunnel dug by an animal. So these lizards burrow into the sand during the daytime to avoid extreme heat, and they will come out only at night time to look for food. And it is also have some one interesting adaptation to protect themselves from their predators. When a lizard is being chased, it can drop its tail off and run to divert the attention of the predator. How do camels survive in the desert? Camels can survive for a long period of time without food and water. Usually, it stores fat in its hump. Hump means it's just a structure on the back of a camel. So, the storage fat, it uses these fat. They will use it during the period of scarcity of food. See, when we people walk on the land, walk on the sand, what happen? Our feet sink into the sand. But camels have flat and wide padded feet. So it helps them to walk on the sand without sinking. And then, if the sand is blowing, what happen? Our eyes get irritated or irritation from our eyes. But camels have long eyelashes and special eyelids and large nostrils to protect it from blowing desert sand. Types of animals based on their food habits. Different animals have different feeding habits. Based on their feeding habits, animals can be divided into three groups: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores. See, animals which only eat plants, and they have flat grinding teeth to properly chew the grass. Some examples are sheep, zebra, cow, and giraffe. Animals such as monkeys and squirrels mostly live on trees. They have strong claws and powerful tails to climb around the branches of the trees. Carnivores. Carnivores only eat meat, and they have sharp teeth and claws, while some can run very fast due to their powerful limbs. Some examples are lion, leopard, cheetah. Omnivores. Omnivores naturally eat both plants and animals. Some examples are bear, pig, and we human beings are also omnivores. Animals in forest. Forests are home to a huge variety of animals. Animals living in the forest have to cleverly hunt for prey and protect themselves from predators. Some animals can change the color of their skin to match the background when faced with a threat. This is known as camouflage. The method of hiding in the surroundings by changing one's physical appearance is known as camouflaging. This will be used to protect it from enemies. A chameleon is a good example of camouflaging. When a chameleon is threatened, it changes its color according to the color of its surroundings. When it is sitting on a tree, it will turn brown. If it is sitting on a leaf, its body color will change to green. Animals in forest, porcupine. See, porcupine is having spines all over its body. These spines are also called as quills. When a predator is approaching porcupine, what it will do, Porcupine rolls up into a ball with all its quills pointing outwards to scare away the predators. Answer the following questions. What are terrestrial animals? Write any two adaptive features of a camel that help it to survive in a desert. Refer chapter 3, page number 27. What is camouflaging? Write some examples for carnivores. Why do porcupines have spines?